Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remove chewing gum from clothes. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this pair of jeans, and I'm not going to actually put chewing gum on here, but I'm going to tell you what to do because I feel like there's no point in me just putting a piece of gum on here for the demonstration when it's worked many times for myself. I've used this method, it works, so I'm just going to show you what you would do. There's two things that you can do, and I recommend that you try the first one first, then you try the second one next, okay? Because they're both effective. The first one is actually the easiest one, and that's why I recommend that you try it first, because it might actually work really well for you and get the majority of the job done, if not the whole thing. You want to take your article of clothing, whether it's jeans, a shirt, a sweater, anything, and you want to put it in the freezer, okay? Make sure that the part that has the gum is exposed to the cold. So make sure that if the gum was here, I'd put the jeans in, let's say like that, okay? And you want to make sure that that's exposed to the cold. Leave them in the freezer for a couple of hours, okay, the article of clothing. Then take them out of the freezer and try and pull off the piece of gum. Now, if the gum was fresh, there's a good chance you can pull off the entire piece and there probably will be very little residue on there. If the gum was older and squished down, then you might get a little bit of it off. You can sort of pick at it, but there's still going to be quite a bit of residue, in which the case will be that you have to try the second method, okay? So gum has certain properties within it that react to different things. So it reacts to the cold by becoming very dense and very hard, which allows you to pick it off easily, right? But then if there's still residue, you have to move on to the second method, which is, so let it thaw out. If you've put them in the freezer, let them warm up and thaw out. And then once the gum is nice and soft and malleable again, once your article of clothing is warm again, then you want to get some liquid laundry detergent. And that's what I have in this bag here, just so it's clear. It's just liquid laundry detergent, the stuff that I would use to wash clothes with. I just put it in a bag because I wanted to transport it to where I'm filming this video. And you need a toothbrush. Now, the cool thing about gum, like I said, is that it reacts differently with various things. So it reacts with specifically the things in liquid laundry detergent by allowing it to be broken apart and broken down. So you're going to take a cleaning toothbrush. This is a toothbrush that I use like specifically for cleaning, okay? You're going to just dip it in the liquid laundry detergent like that. And when with your laundry detergent on the toothbrush, you're going to brush over the area that has the gum. And guess what's going to happen? That gum is going to start to break apart. So when you do that, just keep doing it. It is going to take some elbow grease, but as you do this, the properties inside of the liquid laundry detergent are going to cause that gum to break apart, and then you're going to be able to pick it off. So you're going to keep going, and then it's going to break apart. You're going to pick off some of it, and you're going to keep going more and more and more scrubbing. You're going to pick off some of it. Keep going, and then if you need more laundry detergent, don't be afraid. You can be generous with this because it's just stuff that you use to clean your clothes anyways. So keep scrubbing, and then pick off the gum. Keep scrubbing, and then pick off the gum. And guess what? Eventually, you should be able to get all of the gum off, especially when there's just a little thin layer there. You can use this method, and it's going to it'll ball up, it'll break apart, and then you can pick it off. And then once you've done that, at that point, I would rinse the article of clothing with water. So I would go ahead and I would rinse this area, and then I would just wash them regularly as if it was a regular article of clothing. You can wash them separately, but if you got out all the gum, I mean, you should be okay, like to just treat it as if it's a regular piece of clothing in the wash. As long as you've gotten out all the gum, run your finger along it, make sure that it's nice and smooth and that you've gotten out the gum. That's it. That is how to remove chewing gum from clothing. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.